Tunisian simple stitch, go into the front, and drop a loop. Make sure those are snug without being tight. Then you're going to do a Tunisian purl stitch, which is bringing your yarn to the front of your work, just like that. And I hold it down with my thumbnail while I insert my hook again, just under that, see that vertical bar. Keeping that there on the front, yarn over and draw up a loop, and then just snug this up. Not too tight, just nice and comfortably snug. Alright, so Tunisian simple stitch, Tunisian purl stitch, and then just alternate those all the way across. Tunisian simple stitch, bring your yarn forward, yarn over, drop a loop, and then I just like to give it a quick little snug. Turn so you can see the end. You're going to go under both of those end stitches. Right there you can see that little loop. Go right under that, so this is what you see on the end. And drop a loop. Now you work those off on your return pass, turn over and drop through two, all the way across. Now, every time you see a Tunisian simple stitch, you'll work a Tunisian purl. Every time you see a Tunisian purl stitch, you'll work a Tunisian simple stitch. Again, only working in the vertical bars. So this first one is a Tunisian simple stitch, so I'm going to work a Tunisian purl stitch in it. Snug. Simple stitch. And you're just alternating again. But if you get lost, Tunisian purl in the Tunisian simple stitch, Tunisian simple stitch in the Tunisian purl stitch. Regardless of what my last stitch is, you will always insert your hook behind that end loop right there, so that you have that loop on your hook, and yarn over and drop a loop. That will make this end match this end. Then you just keep repeating that. You'll repeat those two rows. Forward pass and the return pass of those two rows.